This is the first video in a series where we'll be looking at linear transformations. I'm going to start with reflections. So find the 2 by 2 matrix that corresponds to a reflection in the y-axis. Okay, so we can just work this out. And really this video is just about working out all of the key reflections that we'll need. So what I'd like you to do is just imagine that you have a point here, and let's say its coordinates are x, y. Now we want to work out which matrix will send it over here to this point here, which we don't need to label, but we'll do in a moment. So we want to be taking a 2 by 2 matrix, multiplying it by x, y, and ending up with, well, what? What are the coordinates of this point? Well, the x value has just been made negative, so its x coordinate is minus x, and its y coordinate has been left alone. So the question is, which 2 by 2 matrix takes the point x, y to the point minus x, y? And this is actually relatively easy to work out, because if you think, well, what should I be multiplying x by? Well, minus 1. And I want minus 1 times x plus, well, I don't want any y's up here, so 0. Minus x plus 0 equals minus x. And what about the bottom line? Well, I want no x's and I want 1 y. And that achieves what I wanted. And therefore, the reflection in the y-axis is minus 1, 0, 0, 1. And that's a matrix that corresponds to that transformation. And we can just proceed now figuring out all the different reflections we'd want. So let's look at a reflection in the x-axis and definitely see if you can do this one on your own. So we'll do the same kind of thing. And when I'm trying to work these out, I deliberately pick points here, for example, rather than a point maybe like here, because here it's a little bit ambiguous. X and y might appear to be rather similar, so it can be hard to see what's going on. I deliberately pick a point where x and y are quite different. Okay, a reflection in the x-axis would take us down to here, and the coordinates of that point, well, it's got the same x value, but the y value is just the negative of what it was before. So the question is, which 2 by 2 matrix maps the point x, y to the point x minus y? Well, I'm going to want 1x and no y's to achieve the top row, or the top value here, 1x plus 0 equals x. And then I want no x's and minus 1 y to get me the minus y. And so this matrix here, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, represents a reflection in the x-axis. Okay, what about some reflections in some lines? For instance, what about a reflection in the line y equals x? Well, this one's a little bit more fiddly, but we can still do it. Let's take our favourite point here, x, y, and think about where this goes. So our mirror line here, y equals x, runs up like that. And so we reflect over this and we end up here. And so what's the coordinates of that point? Well, the value that used to be my x value, which is this amount along, seems to be how much up I go now. So my new y value here was my old x value. And the other vice versa is true as well. My old y value, which is the height here, seems to be my new x value. So now the question is, what's the 2 by 2 matrix which maps the point x, y to the point y, x? Well, this is also relatively easy because look, I want no x's and 1 y to get my y there. And I want 1x and no y's to give me the x there. And so this matrix here, 0, 1, 1, 0, is a reflection in the line y equals x. Okay, y equals minus x. Same deal, and if you're not doing this already, please be pausing the video and trying these for yourself. So here's our trusty point x, y, and when we reflect this in the line y equals x, where does it go? Well, it comes all the way down here. So what's the x and y value there? Well, my new x value seems to be this small distance here, and it's negative, which corresponds to the small positive distance here. So that positive distance was y, so my new x value is minus y. What about my new x value? Well, that's my new y value. Well, my new y value is this long length here, but negative, corresponding to my old x value here. So it's minus x. And so we have the same question as always, which 2 by 2 matrix takes the point x, y to the point minus y minus x? Well, this is relatively easy. I want no x's and minus 1y to get me the minus y. And then I want minus 1x and no y's here. And so here's our answer, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0. That's a reflection in the line y equals minus x. So some natural questions would be, well, what about some other lines? Can I reflect in any line? And the answer is actually no. We can reflect in some lines, but not others. Now, we could find reflections in any line that goes through the origin. For example, you could reflect in, say, this line here. Maybe that's y equals a half x or something like that. And there'll be some answer here. And it's kind of complicated to work out what that point is, but in theory, we could do it. But there are some points that we cannot reflect around with a matrix. For instance, you couldn't reflect around this line here. Now, why not? It seems innocuous enough. You reflect this point here and you get this. That's fine. But what happens to the origin when you reflect it in this line? The origin reflected in this red line bounces over here. Why is that impossible? Well, it's impossible because one really important, somewhat obvious idea in matrices is that if you take a matrix and you multiply it by the origin, you always end up at the origin because it's something times 0 plus something times 0 has to be 0, and something times 0 plus something times 0 has to be 0. So the origin is always an invariant point, which means any reflection has to be in a line that runs through the origin. So there's some restrictions on what lines you can actually reflect in. If you ever have a line that does go through the origin, you can always find a matrix that reflects in that line. However, the only ones you need to know in A-level are reflections in the x-axis, the y-axis, y equals x, and y equals minus x, because everything else is very, very, very complicated. Okay, so that's reflections. We'll just work our way through each of the common transformations now.